Today I'm going to show you how to do the grid drawing method for our project. Let's get started. For this first part, you're going to need a piece of paper, a ruler, and your grid method guide to see where the measurements are so we can make it onto this paper. Okay, you can reference the ruler measurements from the classroom to help you figure out which lines indicators are the half, the quarters, and the eighths. Okay, so first you want to make sure that once you get your ruler, you want to make it flush to the paper. Okay, and you want to make a little line to indicate the first marking, which is 4 1/4. Once you make the marking on the top, in order to make a straight line, you need to make that same marking on the bottom. Again, 4 1/4. Once you have a mark on the bottom and a mark on the top, line your ruler to both markings, and then you can make your straight line. So now the next markings are going to be 2 3/4, 5 1/2, 8 1/4. So I'm going to rotate my paper, I'm going to get my ruler, and I'm going to again do the markings on the top and then do the markings on the bottom. Once you're done putting the markings on the top and on the bottom, go ahead and use your ruler to make a straight line from the top to the bottom. Once you're done with your ruler, you can put that to the side. Now that you have your paper as the grid drawing guide, then you're good to go for the next step. Next, you are going to pick a drawing from the folder to be able to draw using the grid drawing method. Okay, so there's different types of drawings. It's up to you what you like to pick. So I'm gonna choose this one. And when you're doing the grid drawing method, you're basically drawing what you see on one paper and drawing it onto the other paper. This helps with proportion and hand-eye coordination for your drawing skills. Okay, so again, whatever I see in this square, I'm going to draw in this square, and then so forth. So whatever I see on this square, I'm going to draw on that square. My suggestion would be to draw lightly and to draw the bigger shapes first, and then you can work on the little details later. So let me show you how to get started. Once you are done with your drawing, I want you to go ahead and erase the guidelines that we did in the beginning. Okay, so just take an eraser and just go ahead and carefully erase those guidelines out. Okay, if it goes through your drawings, just be very careful, and if you can't erase it, that's perfectly fine, but try to erase the ones all around. Once you're done, we'll get started on part 2 next time. Great job.